Good evening and welcome to Cole's Backyard Coop. I thought I would give you guys a nighttime look at the coop. It's not real late in the evening, it's about almost 7 o'clock, but I thought we would sneak over and let's see the girls inside. Probably not quite asleep yet, but maybe. But we're gonna see what they're up to. So they all go inside and they're all roosting right over here. That's where they all sleep at night. So we want to say, hi girls. Hi, what are y'all doing, huh? There's Hazel right there. And that's one of the main reasons I have this protective wire over the windows is because a raccoon or anything can climb right up on here and look straight in at them and potentially make a meal of one if that protective wire wasn't there. So they're all huddled in for the night. But if you never go and spy on your chickens while they're sleeping, I think you should. Let me take this off. We'll get a quick peek at them. Okay, let's see what's going on in here. Just real slowly, we'll get a little look at them. Hello, ladies. What's going on, huh? Yeah? You guys are sleeping? Alright, we won't bother you too much. Yeah, y'all are sleeping. You're like, why is there a light shining? There we go. I have 4 perches, which holds up to 5 hens across, maybe 6 if they squish in. Uh-oh. They want to get away from each other. Whoops, sorry, don't want to upset you. Alright, we'll let them get back to bed here. But yeah, each perch will hold 5 hens comfortably, 6 if they really squish in. But I have 4 perches with 12 girls. There's plenty of room for them to spread out, which is nice. You want them to be comfortable. And their feet are comfortable on the perches. They can grab on and not dirty or poop on the perch as they sleep, which is what you want. And then in the morning, I can get right down there and pick up all the poop that has fallen. Very quick and easy as part of my morning routine. All right, let's let them go back to sleep. Good night, girls. Good night, girls. Good night. All right, good night. All right. I don't want to disturb them too much. Make sure we lock them back up real good. All right, babies, all right. Sorry to disturb you. And this is why predator proofing is so important at night. The hard wire cloth. They can't chew through. They can't dig under. And this is the main time that you want to protect your chickens is at night. Because that's when a lot of predators are out. Although there's plenty of daytime predators, but the nighttime ones can easily catch the chickens off guard while they're sleeping. Oh, it's a piece of broccoli right there we gotta get tomorrow. Let's pull that out right now, so that way. See, we're even doing chores in the dark. You can believe it. Alright, let's grab that piece of broccoli there. Broccoli. That way they can eat it in the morning. Alright, girls. So we got to take a quick little peek at the girls at night and get to see them in their sleeping area. So from Cole's Backyard Coop, thanks for coming along to take a peek at the girls at night. Hope you're having a great evening wherever you are. And as always, happy chicken keeping. Until next time, guys, take care.